Hello. I decided I would use some of my sunflowers up this afternoon. So I have a small bowl with a pin holder attached in it, quite a large pin holder, a Kenzan if you are going to use its correct terminology. These originated in Japan, and it's like a bed of nails that you impale your materials onto. I've put water into the dish, and I just have a simple piece of driftwood that I just picked up down by the river, and I just thought that would add a little something to the arrangement. I want this to be very, very simple, so I have taken two of the smaller sunflowers, which were off side shoots, and I have strapped them together with a little bit of raffia at the top, and I'm going to impale those onto the pins as one grouping up at the top. Then I have one of my very large sunflowers, which is by its very nature going to need to be quite low in the arrangement. So I'm going to cut that, but I'm going to keep its stalk. And I'm going to set that onto the pins and angle it into position just above the wood, making sure that it is in water. It's very important that it's in water. In fact, that is a little long, so I'm just going to take it off again and cut it slightly shorter. Again, placing it onto the pins and angling it into position, that's better. You can keep your pin holders clean. You can get a little brush, or you can get a particular tool to clean the pin holder. And to add a little bit of weight balance out to the other side of this, I'm going to place this in as though it is still attached to the large sunflower. So you can just see how that's just set off as though the sunflower is still just lying there rather than actually cut in half and impaled onto the pin holder. Then I have a little bit of the bark from the eucalyptus. We have a large eucalyptus tree, and this sheds its bark very regularly. That's quite a nice shaped piece. I'm going to use that. That's still too tall, yes. Cutting it down and use it onto the pins. That encloses some nice space for me. No, that's not needed. Perhaps it is. This is how designs work. You work on them and then think again and then work again. Another little bit of the eucalyptus, just to come round and frame the bottom sunflower. And I've got another bit that's curly. Eucalyptus is just wonderful stuff, isn't it? Actually, no, I don't think I need that. Have a quick look at that. Just very, very simple arrangement. But it needs just a little something just as a counterbalance down here. And what I've done is I've threaded conkers onto wire, and I can just create a little loop with the conkers down there, just lying on the surface there, just to finish off the arrangement. So a very, very quick 3 sunflowers, a pin holder, a little bit of wood, eucalyptus bark and a few conkers. Thank you.